I want to answer the question today. Must I get a court order to separate from my spouse? To separate from my spouse in my marriage? Remember that all the things that I share here does not amount to legal advice. So I usually encourage you to consult your lawyer so that you get proper legal opinion and legal advice on the particular matter. My name is Ed and I'm alright. Welcome here. Before I continue, I want to encourage you to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you get to enjoy all the videos we post on this particular channel. Yes, we post about 3 videos every week and they are all top-notch content. Today, must I get a court order to separate from my spouse? This is something that we still argue. Many of us who are lawyers and also counselors who get to attend to people as either lawyers or as counselors, as therapists. Our right now in Nigeria, using Nigeria as a case study, our Marriage Act actually makes it an offense for you to separate from your spouse without a court order. It is an offense for you to, it is wrong, it is improper, it is an offense for you to separate from your spouse without a court order. However, we do understand as humans, remember I said this is not illegal advice, right? As humans, we do understand that men, imagine you are in a marriage that has a lot of domestic violence, that has matrimonial rape, although matrimonial rape is not yet a crime in Nigeria, it's not yet an offense in Nigeria, although where assault is. So it may not go under rape, it may come under assault. Imagine you're in such an abusive marriage and your life is threatened, or you're in a marriage that your spouse is committing a crime, your spouse is involved in a crime, and the law says that you cannot leave that house, you cannot leave that matrimonial home unless you get a court order, unless you first get a court order. I'm looking at it like a human being that has sense. Maybe in those days when that part of the law was made, it had plenty sense, but I'm looking at it right now. You must get a court order. And this is Nigeria wherein you could file a case in court and in 3 weeks you have not gotten a date. In 1 month, sometimes 6 weeks, you have not gotten a date. And by the time you get a date, the date may be in 3 months' time. And the law is telling you that you have to remain in that marriage all through that period, all through that time, at the risk of your life, at the risk of your mental health. Where? It doesn't make sense to me. Like, seriously, it does not make sense. So I'm actually imagining I go to court right now and I file a petition for divorce on behalf of a client, and the other party is trying to ask for a separated desertion, that we separated without first getting a court order. Man, I think we rather pay the fine, we rather pay the fee for separating without a court order than allowing our client to stay in that marriage and die in that marriage. Trustingly, it may even be better for us to go to prison, right? For our clients to go to prison and the client's life is reserved and retained for the client to remain in that particular place and die. Or what do you think? Don't you think the same? I'm just reviewing the matter again, right? That you must get a court order first. But that's the law. The law says you have to get a court order. However, although Lady Justicia, she's blindfolded, her head thinks, her ears hears, and her nose smells. She may not be seen, but then she can hear. Her ears are open. Her nose can smell. When we get to court, we will explain to court the circumstances of us running away from home. We did not desert our spouse. We actually ran away. We did not desert. We did not abandon our marriage. We did not leave our marriage. We ran away. We escaped. Yes, I think that will always suffice. It should always suffice. It always suffices. Right? So, must you get a court order? By law, yes. But if circumstances and situation warrants that you escape and run away from danger, imminent danger to your life, to that of your children, please escape. Right to life. The right to life will come in there, that you have the right to do everything possible to preserve your life. So please, and the dignity of your person. So please, if you have to escape, escape. Remember that this is not a legal advice, so still consult your lawyer and get better and proper advice. If you contact us through the description section, I'll definitely attend to you, and we'll see how we can give you the proper legal advice for your particular situation. My name is Ella. I'm alright. Like this, subscribe, share this, also hit the notification bell so I get to know when we post amazing videos. You rock.